We have a lot of dead grass throughout our yard, and it makes it hard for the grass to grow. So today, we're testing out a Dethatcher and raking it all out with the help of our new electric Dethatcher and scarifier from Tiectown. Inside the box, you have your user manual, hardware, a thatch bag, and then your Dethatcher. Setup is easy. Screw down the bars with the provided nut locks and connect them together. Lock everything down securely, and then you can assemble your thatch bag. Put that in the back, and then you can choose between using your scarifier or Dethatcher. They've made changing out the blade simple too. No tools required. Just unscrew the knobby, open up the flap, and slide out your blade. Then you can put in the other. I just need the Dethatcher right now, so I put that in and then plugged it in. I adjusted the height, and then pushed the safety button in and pulled the handle down. Then the Dethatcher quickly fires up, and when you let go of the handle, it shuts off for your safety. I tested it on a small patch of dead grass and went back and forth on it a couple times, and it worked well. No more dead grass, just live grass and exposed dirt. So I went ahead and ran it over a bigger area. I went back and forth in both directions, and it collected a lot of dead grass for such a small area. And it didn't grab much live grass either. The majority of it was brown and dead. Then you can use the scarifier to dig deeper into the ground and loosen up the soil to improve the root health of your grass. This tool is especially good if you're planting grass seed. Basically, you use this to tear up your yard so it'll come back stronger and more full. Then when you're done with it, you can easily collapse it down and fold it up so it takes up little room. There's even a handle so you can carry it. Pretty cool. So if you're looking to improve your grass health, this electric Dethatcher might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go dethatch the rest of our yard. See ya.